Hi, I'm John Kursky, and in this video, I'd like to introduce you to a tool called Query Lint. So over the years, I've worked with a lot of tools, and one of the things that I noticed when I was reviewing Power Query code was that I needed a way to automatically check for issues when I had new developers bring me their version of Power Query, or I had seasoned developers and I needed just to double check that they were doing best practices that we had trained them on. So we built a tool called Power Query Lint, and it's available at pqlint.com. And I'd like to show you how it works in just a brief video. All right. So up on my screen, I've got the powerquerylint.com website, as well as I've got a Power Query window up here. And let me just zoom in. We've got just some dimensions, we've got a fact table, and we've got some other tables in here. A pretty typical Power Query setup. Now, if I wanted to check the Power Query code for issues, I could just right-click and select the copy this, paste the code, and then hit the lint button. Now the linter itself will check several rules. In the free version, we have about 20. In the paid version, we have about 83. And it will identify on the right here any potential issues that you have with your code. And so you can see I've got number one, avoid hard-coded file path URLs or database references. All right, so if I was to look at that, it's on line 3. And when I copied that code, the copy feature also copied the dependencies. And I can see that it was looking at the Marvel source. So best practice is you should parameterize your URLs so that you can use them or update them in the service. So I'm going to go back to Power Query, open that up, and take a look at the Marvel source. And if I went to here, this is the URL I should probably parameterize. So I'm going to copy that. Let's see, let's go to Advanced Editor. Probably the best way to copy it is going to be just copying the URL here. And I'll create a new parameter. Let's call it web URL. And I'm going to paste in the URL here. And you'll see it created the parameter. I'll put it in the folder. And then what I want to do is update the URL here to reference the parameter. So I'll just type in web URL, hit refresh preview, and everything looks good. Now, if I want to continue to check the code, I can just copy that date dimension again that I had previously copied, clear the code, and run the linter again. Oh, so I've got a different issue. Oh, any type. So one of the things that you could come across is when you create a parameter, if you're going to publish it to the service, it needs to be a text field. Otherwise, you can't change it. This is a common mistake you make, and it just wastes time. So this is telling me now I should probably just change it to a text field. So I can do that. Go to Power Query, go to Manage Parameter, go to Text. Now if I copy, go back to Power Query Lint, paste again, you'll see that that's gone. Now there's a lot of other rules that are showing here. You can filter by anything that's a potential issue, so something that could cause the refresh to break in the service. It also has best practices, and so I have that filtered here. You can see best practices. So it looks at a number of issues like making sure that you have good step names, you have comments as well. One last thing, if I go back to the potential issues, you'll notice that I've got table buffer before remove duplicates. A common issue I run into when we were reviewing code with developers, if you have duplicates and you want to sort it and then remove the duplicates by an order, you should buffer the table after the sort. And so very quickly I could just go in to code here, look where my sort is, go back to Power Query, find out where that sort is, and do a table.buffer. Now, if I copy it, go back to Power Query Lint, lint the code, you notice that that best practice or that potential issue has been removed. Just in this short video, you can see how a tool like this could quickly make your pull request reviews or your Power Query reviews much easier. And this tool works across Power BI Desktop, Power Pivot for Excel, and data flows. So I encourage you to try it out today, as well as subscribe to this channel. We will have more videos on different rules and different features of the tool. So thank you. Appreciate it.